Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into some exciting news from Indian Railways, the all-new Vande Bharat Sleeper Coach train. If you thought the original Vande Bharat Express was impressive, wait until you hear about this upgraded version designed for long-distance travel. Stay tuned as we cover everything you need to know about this revolutionary train. The Vande Bharat Sleeper Coach train is here to redefine overnight rail travel in India. Manufactured at the Integral Coach Factory (ICF) in Chennai, this new variant is part of the Make in India initiative and promises to deliver a world-class travel experience. But first, let's talk about the launch. The Vande Bharat Sleeper Coach was officially announced by Indian Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw at the ICF in Chennai. This marks a major milestone in the Indian Railways mission to modernize its fleet and offer passengers top-notch amenities. These sleeper coaches are expected to hit the tracks by December 2024. Imagine traveling overnight on routes like Delhi to Mumbai, Delhi to Howrah, and Delhi to Chennai, all while enjoying the luxury of a comfortable sleeper berth. So, what makes the Vande Bharat Sleeper Coach so special? Let's start with the sleeper accommodations. Passengers can choose between first AC, second AC and third AC compartments, all equipped with modern interiors, comfortable mattresses and individual reading lights. And safety, Indian Railways has you covered. The train is packed with advanced safety systems like the Train Collision Avoidance System (TCAS), CCTV cameras, and fire and smoke detection systems. Plus, you enjoy onboard Wi-Fi, GPS-based passenger information systems, and even bio-vacuum toilets for a cleaner, greener journey. But that's not all. The Vande Bharat Sleeper Coach also features a regenerative braking system that saves energy and an enhanced suspension system for a smooth, quiet ride. This train is all about combining speed, comfort. The Vande Bharat Express is designed to reach a top speed of 180 km per hour, making it one of the fastest trains in India. However, its operational speed is generally capped at 160 km per hour for safety and track conditions. This high speed allows the Vande Bharat Express to significantly reduce travel time between the major cities. With the Vande Bharat Sleeper Coach, Indian Railways is taking a giant leap forward in transforming how we travel long distances. Whether you're heading from Delhi to Mumbai or beyond, this train is set to offer a travel experience like no other. So, what do you think about the Vande Bharat Sleeper Coach? Are you excited to experience this new era of Indian Railways? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.